Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. I'm Vivek and in this video I'm going to show you how you create policy pages in a Shopify store. So let's get started. So to begin with, why policy pages are important for a website? It is because policy pages are essential documents for guiding the use of website for visitors. It is necessary for us to create policy pages for our website to protect both our business and website users. Now next comes which policy pages are required for an e-commerce website. For this, in general, shipping policy, privacy policy, refund policy, and terms of services are required for an e-commerce website. And in this video, we will see how we can create the same in a Shopify store. So let's move on to the Shopify store admin. And here, Shopify has provided a section for creating the policy pages. So for that, go to settings, click on policies. Here, you can see the different sections provided by Shopify for each of the policies. To begin with, we will start creating with the written policy. A written policy indicates rules and conditions about returning a purchase and receive reimbursement. Generally, written policy contains the conditions for if, when, and for how long customers can return the purchased item. We can create the content of written policy from the section here. We can create the content of written policy in Shopify store from this section. Here you need to simply write the content of your written policy. Also, Shopify has provided us with the template to create the written policy. To click that, click on the create from template. Here, the Shopify has written the content of default template of written policy. Here you will need to check, just go through the content. Here we need to go to the content and modify it accordingly as per our terms. So for example, here we will need to insert our return address. Just replace these bracket content with our address and verify all the content. That's it. Next is privacy policy. A privacy policy is a document that explains how your Shopify store handles information gathered for any customer or website users while performing its operation. It tells every user how and why you are collecting their information. Privacy policy content tell how you use the collected data, why you use it, and if it's shared with others. To create privacy policy page in Shopify, we need to just scroll down the privacy policy section, and just like we did for the written policy, we simply need to paste our content in the privacy policy. If you already have written your privacy policy separately, you can just simply paste it here, or you can use the default template provided by Shopify. So for the template, click on here, create from template. So it will generate the default template content for us. Here, go through the content and replace the places accordingly. So once we are done with the privacy policy changes, let's move to our next policy page, which is terms of service. Your Shopify store's terms of service is a legal agreement between you and your customers or website visitors which outlines all the rules, restrictions, and disclaimers they must follow when using your service or website. There are alternative names for terms of service which you can see on other websites as well. These are terms and conditions, terms of use, and general conditions. To create terms of service page in Shopify store, just scroll down to the section of terms of services and paste your terms of service content here. Just like refund policy and privacy policy, Shopify also provides a template for the terms of service. To use the template provided by Shopify, click on the create from template and it will generate a default template. Go through the content and modify accordingly as per your need. In case you need more help related to the content of privacy policy, terms of service, and other legal pages, it is recommended to take legal advice for the same. Now next comes the shipping policy. At shipping policy page, you tells your customer or website visitor about how you ship the goods, such as what shipping service you use, in what time frame customers can expect the delivery, shipping cost, etc. To create shipping policy page, scroll to the shipping policy section, write your content in the box. Once you are done with filling content in these policy section, click on the save button. Now your policy pages are ready for your website. Now in the next section, we will see where to communicate your policy pages to your customer. In general, for most of the website, these policy pages links are displayed at the website footer. Let's see how you can create the link of policy pages in the Shopify footer menu. So for that, we'll again go back to the Shopify admin section. Here, click on the online store, select the navigation, now select the footer menu. Here we will add menu item for each of the policy page that we have created. So for that, click on add menu item. Here let's say we are starting with the shipping policy. In the drop down, select the policies, select the shipping policy and click on add. So this will add a shipping policy link. Similarly, we will create the links item for the other policy pages that we created. So now that we have created all the menu items required for the policy pages, let's click on the save menu. Now go back to the navigation section. Here you will see the updated menu items for the footer menu. and let's go to our online store. Click on the view online store. So now you can see that we have our refund policy, privacy policy, and terms of service along with shipping policy pages placed at the footer. And let's click on each of these links and you'll see the content that we created are now being shown on each of these links. So that's all for this video. I hope you find this video informative. Please do share your views in the comments or ask any questions if you have. I will be very happy to answer it. Thank you for watching the video.